Hello, in front of me I've got VANTRUE N5. In this video I'll show you how to manage parking mode. In the beginning, let's go to menu and go to record setup. Scroll up and right here you can enter parking mode. Please select collision detection if in summer exposure environment. Now you can select collision detection, motion detection, low bitrate mode and low frame rate mode. Next you can go to parking monitor settings and you can manage parking monitor area, low light night vision in parking mode, collision detection in parking mode, motion detection area. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.